Is Elon tanking Twitter? That's been a meme, but now it might be a strategy. In other words, is it rational for Elon to turn Twitter into a bigger, messier version of low-value right-wing social media platforms? It might be, but not for entirely ideological reasons. Elon's biggest risk is that the LBO lenders who have $13 billion in loans to Twitter that need to be paid quarterly will force Elon out, and try to restore some value to Twitter. It's hard to emphasize how much those lenders want to avoid having to do that, but $13 billion isn't easy to walk away from. As long as the possibility of turning back from Elon's approach to Twitter's future remains, Elon is at risk of having Twitter taken away from him. That's why, when mainstream advertisers started to leave, Elon chose to go harder. GFY to the remaining advertisers. If it looks like a comically bad hostage taking in which the only hostage is Twitter itself, you're right. He's telling the lenders, stay back or the bird sleeps with the fishes.